Hey, what is up everyone? So for today I have a CPU intake and I'm going to install it into the Focus ST today. And honestly I've never done this before, so you guys can join me and learn how to do it and how not to do it. Okay, so to start it all off, I'm going to take off my battery just to make sure that this map sensor here, map sensor doesn't get all messed up or throw some sort of code. I'll do that, and then afterwards I'll take this cover off, and I believe this is an 8, but you can use flathead, this as well as a flathead, and I'm gonna start taking that stuff off. I'm over here getting ahead of myself, but we should remove this part here because inside here is the turbo, and how are we gonna reach in here? So let's go ahead and take these off. So using a T30, you can take this guy off, and honestly these guys are pretty much on their hand tight, so you really don't need this guy. You could just easily come in and just take it off like this. Then afterwards I think we just need to take this top off and take that off right there. But this should be a 15, and just taking this guy off will be a little bit of a struggle, but there you go. And then once all these other sides off, I believe this should just be able to pull off. No? Yes? Are you gonna come off? No? Let me see if I can just lift this portion up here. It's gonna take some time here. Oh, come on. The way I had to struggle is because I can't take this off nicely. So you gotta push down like real hard right here. Pick it up and just wiggle it around a bit and just push that, and it should be able to come off. I did try this a little bit of times with the other one, and it finally popped out. There you go. And now time to pull it all out. There you go. Now that these are all out, I believe we can just take these guys here that have a clip inside, and I'll show you guys right now. There's a couple clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop those out, and then we can take this whole entire trim off. Now not only are we going to take that piece off, we also have to take this piece right off here, which is one bolt right there and another bolt over there, and I think these should be 10 mils. And there you go. It's free. Everything's free. Okay, now that we're here, we can go ahead and start removing this portion here, which is this piece of plastic here and this piece of plastic here. Okay guys, come on. There's one guy out. And then this whole piece should be able to pop out as well. So let's pick it up and then pull it all out. I think we just pop this guy out. There you go. But that should be an 8, so let's get that one. Oh man, poor lady.
End up breaking.
Cool. I don't know why I didn't do it on the look. So, for everyone who can barely see in there, you see that little guy right there? Yeah, that one right there. That's an 8mm. We gotta take that thing off. Wish me luck. It's a 7, you guys. Oh, and she's free. Oh. Also, let's not forget, I gotta take this little clamp off right here, which I completely forgot to take off myself. Okay. Okay. There we go. All off. Okay. Now, what we gotta start doing now is taking this guy off, because this has to get whoa. That's how stuck it is. This has to get transferred over to the new box. And I think my map sensor is somewhere here as well. This guy right here has to get taken out. Okay, so thank you to something called an installation guide from CPE. It says just to do it counterclockwise, but what they do is they have this guy already in here. Spin it counterclockwise. And I knew how to do that. And then pull out. And it's there. Perfect. But make sure you guys don't get this. I know I shouldn't be doing this right now, but I might just try putting this into the tube now before getting anything. But I think maybe and laying it. Nope. I'm scared. Yeah, there you go. I just laid it. I laid it on top. It's pointing upwards, so we should be fine. Okay, at this point, I already put this guy on. And make sure you guys take out these, because you're gonna need these little guys here, these little stubs that have to go on one end of each. And another cool thing that I forgot to look into the box, and I knew it was there, but it was this installation guide. Isn't that beautiful? Knowing that you have one of these. Well, let's get this strapped on then. So basically, when grabbing these guys, one thing you want to do is go ahead and turn this guy over here like this. And what you want to do is grab one of these guys, one of these bolts, and a washer. So let's put these guys together here, here, and then this guy goes here like this. And there we go. Okay, so basically now we have this guy, and this guy in here. And I guess now we can start getting in the filter. So for the filter, you're gonna grab this guy here, and you're gonna go ahead and grab this guy. All you gotta do is slip this guy right inside here. Okay, so we got this sitting as flush as possible. We have these little bolts in here that we're about to put in this section and tighten it down. So just to show you guys here, all you guys want to do is make sure that this guy goes inside here, line it up right about there, put this little bolt in, and just start fastening it up. Just to give you guys a better look at this, I have one bolt here, one bolt there, and all you guys got to do is put one on each side. I don't know how tiny this little bolt is. I'm sorry, I don't know the sizing. So try not to rush this. You gotta get this guy back inside here, and then this guy goes inside there. There's a little mounting point there, so not too difficult to do so. And then let's start getting the rubber hoses in here and over there. So let's try putting this guy inside here, pushing it into place, maybe like this. That guy just popped out. Get this guy over here like this. And boom. Please pass by with music, please, thank you. This guy fell off over here, so let's push him back inside. Like I said, there is a mounting point here. Get this guy in here, mount him inside, put him back in place. And there you go. Get some of your hose clamps, put these guys on already. And all you need to do for this guy is put this guy up here, this guy up here, and slide this guy on through here. Oh yeah, just come off again. Okay, I already installed that portion in there. It's a little bit difficult to see, so this part just goes in here like this, as a nice thing should be. And also the PCV valve that's up top here goes in through there as well. So let me just position all of this in here correctly. Okay, that guy's sitting nicely inside on this section here. This guy has to sit nicely inside here as well. But I might have some issues here. Okay, perfect. Now before we complete all this, let's make sure we seal out our plexiglass here with everything that we need. So now let's just use bolts here left. Overall, it's all done here. Looks nice, and now we'll turn it on soon to see how it sounds. Let's listen to it before I put everything back. Actually, I'm over here forgetting some of these things here. We forgot to put this map sensor back over here, which should have gone on this end over here. So you twist it in, and then clockwise, you're good to go. There you have it. I am really exhausted. It should have taken me less than an hour to do so. I did it in maybe 2.5 or so. So yeah, wasn't too fun. Plus I haven't ate anything. So hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys have any questions on how to install, comment it down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.